party. No selected candidate. The only waitlisted fellows are here. 4.5 years. All those points were raised.
And we are substantive. Our main, fundamental point. How does the High Court terminate, If you are a substantive employee, you have to have an inquiry, That's a basic requirement of 311 that you have to have an inquiry. No inquiry. The High Court terminates because the single judge, who is just now retired, the single judge terminated. The court has no power to terminate. The court can direct an authority. Look at it. Now, how does the court become an appointing authority to terminate 35,000 people?
We will show small. I must say,
these fellows will be out of job. There are 4 people per job who are dependent and 24,000 knocked down.
May I have a moment?
This is something which requires your lordship consideration.
May I have a moment, my lord? But we have all been directed to be taken in custody. I appear for the commission, my lord.
If there are other petitions,
Yes, there are.
the numbers to the court master. So
We will get the numbers,
Taken in custody for custody. No, there is no such election. But I appear for the commission, my lord. Give me a minute. I appear for the commission, my lord. We have to taken out an appeal. We have, my lord, several issues to raise before your lordship, my lord.
Yes.
We had said that we are in a position to check up who are the tainted persons and who are the untainted persons. Because CBI only identified a few persons as being tainted. On that basis, my lord, the court says incorrectly that it is not possible to segregate. We have made a specific submission that we are prepared to segregate. Your lordship's judgment say that very much possible.
I find that the CBI report at page 281 that says that they have identified 952 candidates for 9th and 10th.
Exactly.
And about 907 for 11th and 12th.
Yes. So there are, my lord,
CBI in this.
that is, my lord, 10%, my lord, of a particular category.
That's 10%, Or 900, you throw out 9,000.
So that's a
Separate the trade.
hard blood and proof that they are all corrupt.
Do it.
There are 3 other issues.
Your lordship judgment in 2012 in Delhi, my lord, last election commission.
All
90 in all such ballot where the records are not available, there is no question of ability to segregate any one of them, and therefore your lordship decided.
But the evidence has been accepted forever.
And all appointments have been set aside in all those cases.
It's my own judgment.
High Court is not a power to do it. That's the High Court, my lord. Your lordship in Krishna Yadav said, if the records have disappeared and High Court has raised and that I can't do anything, your lordship said High Court should have enabled it and should have passed the order.
The High Court did not go. I need to highlight the huge scam on the ministers are in custody.
Once again, let all other matters which are being filed now or which have already been filed at the board today, they be listed together. We'll keep this on next Monday. We just like some order so that, if you can just indicate to us what are the categories.
Yes.
So, there's no point.
4 categories.
So if you can just divide into categories, likewise also on your side, so that we have a clear picture of which are those categories in which these different cases fall.
But the OMR sheet disappeared, no record.
There was only one was the 36.1 and 36 is not wrongly filed. These 2 SLPs but cannot be kept on record. I need to
Get it this way. OMR sheets are completely missing.
No, it's not.
The OMR sheets are destroyed.
No.
The OMR sheets are destroyed. It's not under the even in the mirror server.
What is accepted below?
We'll have to demonstrate that fighting is
Not with great respect, under the rules, the OMR of 2016
Job has been put in the market. What are the
rules provide.
How long do the OMR sheets?
2 years. 1 year. 1 year or 2 years. We are now 8 years out. How can you keep a record?
Yes.
Nobody can keep a record of
Not to be a
people. Not required.
But Mr. Rati, consider this. If OMR sheets are now not available,
Destroyed, yes.
for whatever reason,
Yes.
how do you separate the valid from the invalid?
Let them produce the OMR sheet before the
So there are secondary material available.
Oh, what happened? This evidence has been gone into by the court and the court says it is admissible.
Yes.
Under 65B. I am not challenging that. But if that is so, it can be verified. The CBI has used that material. The SSC has accepted
But he said the certificate sued by an accused.
All of you demonstrate to the court that it is possible to say in all these matters. Question is whether you can segregate. I dealt with the Delhi matter, Mr. Dewan.
Yes,
We said that it's not possible to segregate in that case. You have Kellon's case. There are cases on both sides.
Both sides.
You have to demonstrate that on the basis of material available, it is possible to segregate.
Yes, do that.
So those, because we quite see,
Let them show.
terminate 25,000 people is of a very high order.
Yes, correct.
Unless you are left with a situation where the entirety of the process is wrought with fraud.
That is
To us that there is material to fraud and those people whose appointments are clearly not
There are 240. They prepare. So commission gives a table that these are identified, these are not complete, and we can't tell you how many more. That the commission had reached.
No, Mr. Happy.
At the end of
It is an incorrect statement. We said we can.
we will have to hear the matter. It's not a matter which we can just T20 matter.
We are trying to take some blood on one day. We shall sacrifice.
8 and 9.
We want some factual clarity.
Yes, sir.
Because when the matter opens, please make sure that whoever argues in an order. So there should be some element of clarity because the High Court may have added. They have seen the matter expound before themselves. We don't have it. But we'll look at it threadbare.
Absolutely, we agree.
Direction 8 and 9 should be stayed.
The wrong SLP file, my lord. The lead petitioners was not had there. It is completely different petition. Let them correct it.
All right.
Because direction 8 and 9 should be stayed.
What is happening between
Let them not. This is election time.
I tell you not just what will happen
what is
is
the date of the judgment?
22nd April. Now, my lord, I tell you
He is right in the middle of election.
Officers will be there, some on election duty, otherwise will not reach up right to the bottom till the top. Whoever was involved with the preparation of the cabinet note, whoever the CBI wants today can pick up a custodial interrogation.
Even the cabinet has passed the order.
Yeah, we are all
We are on election duty.
preparing for
I am for 39. I am waiting for your lordship to rise.
Oh, you're not in this
I am
matter.
not in this matter. 39. I have conveyed to Mr. I have conveyed to Mr. Bhushan.
I mean 38 percent give me
Raju.
Oh, you're not in this matter.
No, it was 11,000 small persons who have been due for. I am in that matter.
Yes, okay.
I have conveyed to Mr. Bhushan, my lord, I have conveyed that the Honorable Court may take a call on my request if he is here, my lord.
We'll allow you to take copies of the report, Mr. Bhushan, and the report of the Secretary of the District Legal Services Committee, District Legal Service Authority, Achar, has been received. The registry shall supply copies to Mr. Prashant Bhushan, the counsel for the petitioner, and the advocate instructing Mr. Prashant list on the list it next Monday.
Monday, my lord.
Please take it up next Monday.
I have a
Please allow.
request. Item number
Mr. Raju, your matter, you'll take it up. You take it on this week, or you want to take it up next week? You're supposed to give us a short. Just hand over the note to the court master. We take it up next Monday.
But in this matter also, my lord, CBI should be represented because CBI represents the judge.
Preparing for CBI in this matter.
In this matter, my lord, Mr. Raju had acted one point.
You're not. It's not that matter.
No.
Are you appearing, Raju, or
We will appear, my lord. Today we are not here for that matter. We don't have papers. But if they can give, my lord,
Yes, let someone have that.
to Mr. Raju or solicitor?
I'm told we have served. Mr.
Given additional copy.
Very well, my lord. But in the meantime, no precipitative steps in terms of fixing people.
Because we are also asking for stay. We are on election duty. There are we don't go now.
Nothing is going to be affected.
I'm sorry, we can't go home.
1 second.
Our employment stands terminated as of today, my lord.
There are we
terminated.
Proxy will grant an order of status quo.
The whole officer of the government who is involved with the cabinet board can be picked up today as per this direction.
Status quo means of your service. Yes, status quo.
Every officer
Any state would come out because people are sanctioned with the corrupt appointment.
and the supernumerary posts can today be arrested for custodial interrogation if direction 8 and 9 are to be implemented.
I got to say, the apprehension of arrest will be taken care of, but nothing else.
I connect this into custodial.
And this is when a single
investigation
of the same High Court has stayed the cabinet note an issue which is not argued, not before the division bench, you direct every.
Sir, the judgment. Sir, I am making a request for 24,000 people.
I will do it. What we
Requesting for a stay of termination.
small Roman 8
Yes.
And nine.
para 363.
My lord, your lordship are going to have it on Monday, my lord.
But it says CBI will undertake further investigation with regard to insofar as 7 is concerned, we are not staying 7.
Yes.
But
8 and 9.
CBI will undertake further investigation with regard to the persons involved in the state government, approving creation of supernumerary posts to accommodate illegal appointments. If
Only 8 is enough.
No, so 8
CBI will only stay 8
Yes.
against.
Sir, what about 2? Our termination of 24,000 people. Nothing more than that. We have been serving for 8 years.
But I am not here for that, but I am not aware of.
This list on Monday. Till next Monday ka date डाल दो. No precipitate step shall be taken in pursuance of the directions contained in small Roman 8
Yes.
of paragraph 363.
Para 363.
Of the order.
Kindly consider our.
We'll see that after we hear everybody. But today we are just asking an order.
1,000 people should not be terminated.
Mr. Singh, we are seized to the matter. We are keeping it next Monday. The other petitions which have come in. Today we didn't want something CBI to precipitate.
No,
We have something clause 8. We have protected that. That's all.
We are grateful ones.
illegal appointees without any.
Protect that.
Yes, sir.
May I have my lord's indulgence?
Very grateful,
My lords, may I have my lord's indulgence?
Just 1 second. We have 37. We have to take up 37, which is the French.